Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change private group to public group on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app. Here you can see that I created a group on the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now click on the top of your screen where the name of the group and number of members are located. Here you can see the pencil icon. Click on it. Now you wanna click on group type option having two profile icon on side. Here you'll just have to tap on public group option and you'll also have to add a link so that other people will be able to find and join your group. Type in your link. Now simply tap on the right button in the top right corner. Here you can see that the group has been set to public group. Now click on the right button once again. And that is how you can change private group to public group on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.